Hi students, this is your competition book for mathematics, Oswald books. It is the rank is class 7 and we are going to learn about the different contents in this. Here first chapter is integer. Here we learn about the integers. Integers are the numbers which are starts from negative numbers. Negative numbers, that means negative 1, negative 2, etc. Negative numbers. And plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. Positive numbers, and here we get 0. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. And suppose this is the number line. This is the number line. In the number line, 0 is the neutral point. On the left hand side we get negative numbers or negative integers, and on the right hand side we get the positive numbers. Okay student, here we learn the properties of integers. Number 1, closure property. Closure property, that means if the numbers are close under addition or not. Okay, suppose we take two integers 1 and suppose minus 1. What is their sum? Their sum is what? Suppose we take the positive as our consumption, and my negative 1 is our what? Expansion. মানে আমি 1 কি ধৰিলো জমা ধৰিলো হয়নে নহয় হ্যাঁ, আৰু মাইনাস 1 কি ধৰিলো আমাৰ খৰচ বা এটো প্ৰফিট বুলিও ক'ব পাৰা. সাপোজ প্ৰফিট 1 is positive is profit and negative is loss. Then see what is the value here? 1. What is the value? Absolute value. Do you know absolute value? Absolute value of an integer is the value regardless its sign. Suppose absolute value of negative is positive. Okay, and absolute value is positive also is positive. Now see here, what is the absolute value? 1. What? Here also absolute value 1. So result is 0. 0 is an integer, not 0 is an integer. So the similarly we take different examples like this. Okay, therefore we can say the sum of two integers is an integer. So integers are closed under addition. Then see, it is addition. Then see subtraction. Suppose 5 minus 7. Okay, what is the result? Here absolute value what? 5. Here absolute value what? 7. So 5 we get the result whose absolute value is greater. Its absolute value is greater, so result is negative 2. It is an integer or not? It is belongs to Z. Okay? Integers are represented by a symbol Z. Z from Zelhem. And natural numbers are represented by N. Whole numbers are represented by W. Like this, integers are represented by Z. Okay, that means under subtraction, the integers are closed. Okay, this is the closure property. Okay, students understand this? Now we learn the commutative property. Commutative means commutative property. Commutative property. In case of addition, suppose two integers 2 and suppose minus 9. What is their sum? 2 plus minus 9. Here result is minus 7. And again you take minus 9 plus 2. What is the result? The result is minus 7. Here what we had find? 2 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 9 plus 2. Here we find 2 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 9 plus 2. If we take A, 2 as A and this as B, what we get? A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the commutative property of integers under addition. That means we can say that the integers are closed. Okay? Under addition in case of commutative property. Then see, under C, subtraction. Subtraction. You can take this example. 2 minus minus 9 is equal to what? 2 negative of negative is equal to positive. What is the result? 11. And minus 2 minus 2. This is, what is the result? Minus 11. And these are equal or not? Now see, therefore 11 is not equal to minus 11. That means we can say that A difference B is not equal to B difference A. That means commutative property does not hold good in case of subtraction. Okay. Then see associative property. Associative property. Here we take 3 integers. Okay. If A, B, C are 3 integers, then A plus B plus C bracket is equal to, now we remove bracket from C. A plus B plus C. Example take. Suppose A is equal to 10, B is equal to minus 1 and C is equal to suppose 4. Now A plus B plus C. You already learned that in case of brackets we do the work of bracket first. That means both must B O D M A S. Brackets of, then of means multiplication, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here we find brackets, so we have to do first the bracket work. A means 10 plus B means minus 1 plus C means 4. 10 plus, this the result is 3 equal to 7. And again A plus B plus C. A means just 10 plus minus 1 plus C. C means 4. This is 10 plus minus 1 means this is 9. Sorry. 13. 9 plus 4, 13. This and this equal. So, what we find that A plus bracket B plus C is equal to A plus B bracket plus C. This is therefore A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means commutative property hold good in case of what? Addition. Now we see in case of subtraction. Let A equal 5, B is equal to 6, C equal to minus 11. Now A minus bracket B minus C. First we have to do the bracket work. So put the values 5 minus, what is the 6 minus 11. So 5 minus 6, this is plus, 6 plus 11 equal to 5 minus 17 equal to minus 12. Now see, now you remove the bracket from C. A minus B minus C. What is the value of A? 5 minus 6 minus 11. This is 5 minus 6 equal to what? Minus 1. This is negative, negative, positive. The result is what? 10. Here what you find? Minus 12. Here what you take? 10. So this is not equal this. Therefore the difference B bracket difference C is not equal A difference B difference C. Okay. Now see additive identity. When we add 0 to any integer, okay, any integer, we get the same integer. So 0 is called an additive identity for integers. Okay, suppose 0 is added to negative 11, what you get? Negative 11. Suppose 0 is added to 8, what you get? 8. So it is when the value is not changes. Okay, that is called additive identity. Okay, multiplication of integers. Okay, you know the sign rules. Negative of negative is always what? Positive, and that means if the product of two same signs, then the result is always positive. If the signs are not same, the result is negative. Okay, negative. See here, the signs are say equal signs. Negative, 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 positive, 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 negative into positive, negative, positive into negative, negative. Like this you can do the problem. Suppose 2 into minus 3. What is the result? Minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 3. What is the result? 9. Now see the properties of multiplication of integers. If the properties hold good in addition, then the property must hold good in multiplication. If the property, why? Because multiplication is the repetition of addition. Repetitive addition is known as multiplication. If the property does not hold good in subtraction, that does not hold good in division also, because division is the repeated subtraction. Okay, here one question is given. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Okay, a pair of integers whose sum is what? Minus 7. Suppose minus 2 plus minus 5. Their result is what? Minus 7. Or others you can take. Okay, suppose minus 1 plus minus 6, 7, minus 7. Same sign. Okay, this is negative, this is negative. So absolute value you add and the sign will be the same. What is here? Negative. This is also negative. What are the absolute value? Here 1, here 6. So 7. Like this you can. Students, you remember, if you practice hard, then the math subject becomes very easy. Then next question, difference is minus 10. Okay, the difference is minus 10. Suppose minus 2 minus 12. What is the absolute value here? Negative. This is negative, negative. What becomes positive? So this will be positive. This is wrong. This is 8. Okay, this is plus. Understand? Minus 2 minus plus 8 minus 10. So the result is minus 2 and 8. Okay, then you can write 0 minus 10. Okay, 0 comma, you can write plus 0 comma plus 10. Okay, difference is negative 10. Like this you can find. Okay, their sum is 0. When the sum of two integers becomes 0, if their absolute values are equal and signs are different, so minus a plus a equal to 0. A may be any value of, okay, any integer. So minus 1 comma plus 1, like this. Okay, then see question number. Minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus what? These are the two integers a and b. What is the sign between them? Plus. So a, this is b. B plus what? A. What is the value of a? Minus 5. This is the commutative property. Then number b, minus 53 plus what? What 8? When you add an integer, the value does not change. That is additive identity. That means 0. Okay. Then C, 17 plus dash is equal to 0. their absolute values must be same, equal, and the sign will be different, minus 70. Okay. What is the product here? 9 3 are 27. 27 into 6 is equal to what? 162. Minus 30 divided by minus 10. In case of division also, if the signs are different, the result will be negative same signs. 10 3 are 30. This is A. Number B. 50 divided by minus 5 is equal to, what is the sign? Positive. Here what? Negative. So result will be negative. 5 10 are 50. Do you divide any integer by 0? Suppose A is an integer, A divided by 0. What is the result? The result is undefined. That means we get nothing. In case of integers, we cannot divide any integer by 0. But it is special case. But 0 may be divided by any integer. Now what is the sign here? The sign will be negative. But what is the result? 0. Is 0 positive or negative? 0 is neither positive nor negative. So students, our lesson is finished for today.